wrong. You get what I mean? Then what? What's the problem?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you just joined me for the very first time, I want to say a very big thank you. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. As you all watched in this video, Nengi in a conversation we also had to tell Ozo that, you know what, I know we're getting close, but I still do not want you to read meaning to the closeness that we're having, because I am not going to be in a relationship with you. Personally, for me, I think Nengi has told Ozo a number of times and enough times that, you know what, nothing's going to happen between us no matter how close we get. But Ozo is still so much buried in his feelings for Nengi. It is very understandable when you like a girl so much to the point that you really cannot help yourself. But when the lady has told you time over time that, you know what, I do not want to be in a relationship in this house, and even outside the house, I don't see us really working except I'm out of the relationship, I think it is best for you, for your own sanity and for your own self-esteem, to just step away and leave it as being friends. You could literally see the stare on Ozo's face. He was really disappointed. You know that kind of feeling when the girl really breaks your heart. You could see the stare in his face, and that has spiraled into this morning in a conversation he was having with Dorothy, because he literally does not even remember most things that Dorothy has told him about herself.
She's not in the it wasn't it? Oh, we in the bus. Who? 2 weeks and they asked me a question. Just not even 2 weeks. I saw them, you don't even remember anything.
But we didn't have this conversation, I don't know.
We actually don't have to have any conversation. Also, if you're going to ask me what you already asked me before, just suddenly you don't remember. Just wash your clothes.
Because while they were washing, I think he was asking Dorothy a particular question that Dorothy had already told him about before now. But hey, he couldn't remember, and he was asking Dorothy. And Dorothy really got angry because Dorothy began to tell him the things he told her about his family. And she said, you know what, since you really cannot remember anything that I told you about myself, then forget it. Still on this relationship matter, Bbnaija wants to end our relationship with Prince.
Sometimes I just want to like withdraw, then you just come around and then you act normal, and then again, run away distance. Like, to me, I just feel like I feed off energy as well, and I know when like I'm wanted, like, and then I also know when somebody just wants my personal space. But if you constantly want your personal space all the time, like, I might as well just stay away. You know what I mean? Like, what are we doing? So it's just an accumulation of things, like, okay, this is what I don't like, this is what I don't like, this is what I don't like. And then
so Bbnaija, the conversation with Neo is telling Neo that, you know what, I am tired of having to be the one to complain every time. So Prince is used to his space. I don't know if he's used to his space because he's really not into Bbnaija, because he can never have Nengi, or because he's just naturally used to his space. Prince wants his space and she's not comfortable with that. She's been talking about it. She feels he's trying to improve. He goes up, improves. And there was a question that Erika asked Prince. And what was the question? The question was, if there was one relationship in that house that Prince would want to scatter so that he could advance his game in the Big Brother house, which relationship would that be? And guess what his answer was? He said he was going to scatter Erika and Kiddwaya's relationship.
If you could break up a relationship in the house which you are not involved in order to advance your game, which relationship would you break up and why?
I'll say Kid and Erica. Reason being that I feel like it's nothing personal, but I just feel like they're just it's just infatuation, especially on the part of Kid. And to some extent, I admire Erica, and I feel like she's going to get hurt at the end of the day, and I wouldn't want to see that.
Now I can see things from the perspective of Prince. He feels that there's an infatuation going on between Kiddwaya and Erika, and in the long run, Erika is actually going to be the one who's going to eventually become hurt. Now moving on to Neo and V, I can categorically tell you that Neo and V have been having unprotected sex in the Big Brother house. There was this conversation between Neo and V in the kitchen, and V was telling you that he should be scared that she hasn't seen her period.
You're looking kind of, you know, like,
I'm gonna fuck you up.
oh, really? Why Why are you looking at
You
me?
should be scared, you idiot.
Why would I be scared?
Are you
I'm 26 years old. I am Neil. I am a reality TV star. I got you. What should come next?
You're very stupid.
Yeah, right. Wait. You really think I should be scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
The worst that will happen, I'm gonna call up my mama. Hey, mama.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, Sam.
That's something.